In this video, you will learn what cognitive dissonance is and why your brain sometimes works against your own logic. Cognitive dissonance is the mental discomfort you feel when two of your beliefs conflict with each other, or when your actions contradict what you believe. The term was introduced by psychologist Leon Festinger in 1957, after he observed that people will go out of their way to resolve this inner conflict. Here is a simple example. You know that eating junk food is bad for your health, but you eat it anyway. Instead of changing the habit, your brain starts telling you, "I've been working hard lately. I deserve this." The conflict disappears, not because the facts changed, but because your mind adjusted the story. When two conflicting thoughts exist at the same time, your brain experiences tension. That tension feels uncomfortable, so your brain looks for the fastest way to reduce it. Most of the time, it does not change the behavior, it changes the belief. This is called rationalization, and it happens automatically without you noticing. Cognitive dissonance affects how you make decisions every day. It can cause you to ignore facts that challenge your existing views. It can make you defend a bad choice just to feel consistent. Understanding this can help you recognize when your thinking is protecting your comfort instead of seeking the truth. In short, cognitive dissonance is what happens when your beliefs and actions do not match, and your brain tries to fix that tension, usually by adjusting what you think, not what you do. It is not a flaw. It is how the human mind maintains a sense of consistency. The question worth sitting with is this: the next time you justify a decision, are you thinking clearly, or are you just making yourself feel comfortable again?